I'm going to show you how you can list on your stocks on any app in full detail by taking an example of Reliance Industries, Reliance, NS. Reliance Industries is one of the largest and most diversified companies in India, with interests in energy, petrochemicals, media and digital services. It is also listed on the National Stock Exchange of India, NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, under the symbol Reliance, NS. To list on your stocks on any app, first, you need to open an account with a stockbroker or a trading platform that allows you to trade in Indian stocks. Some of the popular ones are Zerodha, Upstocks, Grove and 5paisa. Choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. Next, you need to complete the KYC process and verify your identity and address with the required documents. This may include your PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank statement, cancelled check and a photograph. You may also need to link your bank account and your Demat account with your trading account. Once your account is activated, you can log into the app and search for Reliance Industries in the search bar. You will see the current price, the market capitalization, the 52-week high and low, the dividend yield and other relevant information about the stock. To buy or sell Reliance Industries, you need to enter the quantity and the price at which you want to execute the trade. You can also place different types of orders, such as market order, limit order, where you specify the maximum or minimum price at which you want to buy or sell, stop loss order, where you set a trigger price to automatically sell or buy if the price reaches that level, and bracket order, where you combine a limit order and a stop loss order with a target price. After placing your order, you can monitor its status in the app. You can also modify or cancel your order before it is executed. Once your order is executed, you will receive a confirmation message and an email with the details of your trade. You can also view your portfolio, holdings, profit and loss, margin available and other details in the app. You can also access various reports, charts, news and analysis tools to help you make informed decisions about your investments. To withdraw your money from your trading account, you need to request a fund transfer to your linked bank account. This may take up to 24 hours depending on your broker and bank. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.